Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and installation of the Bunker Indust 180 degree freestanding awning.
This here. All right. Came with instructions, brackets, which is cool. 2 brackets. Pretty heavy. Yeah. Huh. Interesting choice in terms of cover. Comes with like a fabric color cover. I don't know. Should be waterproof, I would think. But usually it's comes in like a shiny, well, at least my other awning did, shiny finish. So we'll get to installing it and see and test it out. All right, we are going to try to remove the old awning and we're gonna put on the new one. So yeah, let's do a little quick walk around. It's pretty simple install. I'll use the existing brackets. I might have to make some modifications because all the holes don't fit. But other than that, I'll fix that later. And yeah, I like how it looks. It's awesome. Good shade. Has the lights built into these rails right here, which is nice. There's just one less thing to deal with, having to string up the lights. So it connects to the actual USB right here. It has an on and off button, which is awesome. I'll definitely show you guys at night what it looks like to see if it's any bright. So there's a white light mode, an amber mode, and a mixed mode, which combines the 2 color. That's kind of cool.
And that's it. This is the 180 degree awning from Bunker Indust. If you'd like to purchase this awning, I can provide the discount code in the description. Seems like a pretty solid product. The material is pretty good. The only concern I might have is probably the color and how it can radiate the heat downwards. This awning seems like a pretty solid product in terms of build quality versus my previous setup. This is 100% freestanding and has no legs. So if you guys are interested in this product, check out the link in the description below and stay tuned for our next adventure.